This video we are going to see about few functions about line plot. So fill style, line fill style has a properties full, left, right, bottom, top, none. So importing that matplotlib library and assigning the x-axis, y-axis value x123 and y232, and we are going to draw the line xy past that coordinate points value, a line width 2 and marker is square. Each point marker is square and fill style is given full. So the line fill style is full and fill the marker fully. If you are giving left means only the marker left side alone it will be filled. Right mean only the right side alone that color will be filled. Here I have given fill style full, so the color fully is filled. Inside the color is filled, and then the title, and you can set a label, and you can see the apply this. And next we can show the grid in the graph. So for that we can use the method grid, plotted grid of true. Before plotting the point we have to give that plotted grid of true, then it will come like that, the square, right? The line backside is a square box is coming, right? That is a grid, like a graph sheet it will come. And legend, see here we have drawn the two lines, x comma y, green color, and label name is line 1 and line width given, that is the thickness of line. And likewise second line color is cyan color, and that label name is line 2. Line width is also 5. Okay, so after the setting the label for x-axis, y-axis is given flat at legend, so it is displayed at the top, line 1 and line 2 in a small, with a small line it will show along with its label. So we can this as label, y-axis label given, and the next the grid color also we can give here. Color is K, that is a K indicates black color. Grid color also. And legend we can use with the property location. See here two lines is drawn, okay, and then plotted legend location equal to 6 is given. So see the table column location, paste 0, upper right 1, upper left 2, like that the number indicate, right? We can give the string or number. Here the number is given, so sixth number equal 1, center left. So in the graph center left the legend will be displayed. That's only first and second will be displayed at the center left. And next axis method. So axis we can give that x-axis lower limit upper limit value, and y-axis lower limit value upper limit we can give. The minimum maximum value we can give. See here that axis 0 comma 6. 0 is the x-axis minimum value and 6 is the x-axis maximum value. Likewise 0 another 0 is for y-axis minimum value and 20 is that maximum value. See the diagram. And limit the ranges of x-axis we can use separately x limit. Likewise y-axis also you can give using the y limit function. So see here limit for x-axis 1990 and comma 2030 is given. That is the x-axis ranges value. So according to the point it will be a display here. This is the x limit, and maximum value 2000 given. Likewise y limit also, see here 8 comma 20 is given. So y-axis minimum value start from 8 and maximum value end with 20. Next, ticks for setting the label of that particular axis. Here x ticks means it is to set the label for x-axis. So here x ticks, we have given np dot, that is an NumPy method, a range of 0, 3.5, step equal to 0.2, means 0 to 3.5 minus 1 is 3.4. So the ranges value will be displayed in the label 0 to 3.4. Step value means it will be skipped 0.2, increase 0.2 from beginning value only. That's only see the graph 0.0, next 0.2, 0.4, like that. 2 to 2 will be 0.2 will be increased. So instead of the value, we can set the text also. See here, np plotted x of np dot a range of 5. So 5 means it will generate the value 0 to 4, and here we have set the label string a comma b comma c comma d comma e. So instead of 0 to 4, what is displayed here? The letter, the label is displayed. And the label also we can rotate for the particular axis. See here that plotted x of np dot a range of 5, so 0 to 4, as well as the label is displayed. But see the label, it's rotated vertically, the text is rotated vertically. Likewise y-ticks, so x-ticks 5, so a to e display, and then y-ticks here label is not set, only the value alone given. So starting value 2, and then ending value is 18, means 2 17, 1 minus 1, right? We have to do 18 minus 1, 17. So 2 to 17, and step value is 3. So 3 values increase, 2 5, next 5 plus 3 8, like that. 3 value will be. And next we are giving the while limit as well as y-ticks. Okay, limit is used to 8 to 20 will be set, but we have given that y-ticks also value. So as per the y-ticks only, the value will be displayed in the graph. 5 to 20 means it will be displayed 5 to 19, but label we are setting 1 to 10. That's only display 1 to 10. And rotation also given vertically. So y-ticks the label values also vertically displayed. And next, how we can create the sine wave, we are going to see. So if you want to create the sine wave, we have to use the functions, sine functions. So to use the sine functions, we have to import the sine function from the NumPy package. So from NumPy, import sine, and then x-axis value is generated x star 0.1 for x in range of 100. So range of 100 means 0 to 99. One by one value will be taken and assigned to the variable x, and next it will be multiplied by 0.1. For example, first value x value is 0, and 0 into 0.1, so answer becomes 0. And next x value taken from the range 1, so next 1 into 0.1, so that 0.1 value will come. Likewise next 2, then 0.2, likewise up to 99 the value will come, ranges value. And y, that is x-axis value. So we need to draw the line, we need to coordinate point, right? X and y. So y-axis equal to the sine value, so automatically sine value will be generated. Likewise cosine also we can do, use the function cos. And also in a graph 3 lines also we can draw. So the range functions t equal to np dot a range of 0 comma 5 means 0 to 4 value will be generated, right? And 0.222 will be increased step value. So the line is drawn, x-axis y-axis the same, t value is given. Okay, and And how we different now? Based on the marker style color only the three lines are differentiated. Or minus minus, that is a red color dash style, and second line, so our second line point x-axis is same and y-axis is t double star 2, that means power value is 2. So suppose t value is 2 means, and then y-axis value 2 power 2 4. So 2 4 place will be pasted. So BS means blue square. Marker style is what? Blue square. And likewise third line value x-axis is same 0 to 4.22 values generated, and y-axis value t double star 3. Then here is power value is 3, and it differentiate by the color green and then upper triangle. So the marker displays like that. And next we are going to see that subplots in a figure. In one figure we can draw that many subplot figures, and it takes the three arguments. First we have, it indicates the number of rows and number of columns and figure number. For example, a figure has two rows and one column, means then how many figures we can draw in this one figure, means we can multiply by this both rows and column, we have to multiply, so 2. Okay, if your figure contain the two rows and one column, means the number of figures only 2. And CLF function is figure. See here example for subplot. See that figure 1 we have drawn two subplots. So how many rows here? 2 rows is here. Okay, first one row and second one row. That is first graph is the first row and second graph is the second row, and only one column. Vertically if you see only one column. So first figure 1, this is a figure 1, right? So we are going to plot the first subplot. 2 1 1 means 2 indicates the number of rows and 1 indicates a column and 1 indicates the first subplot. So next we are draw the line 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here only the one set of values only passed. X-axis value by default is taken 0 1 2, and then color green color marker is circle, so and marker size 13 and marker face color orange, so inside the circle is orange color is filled. And next plot subplot 2 1 2, that is 2 rows and one column, but second subplot that indicates another 2. So here also 4 5 6, so one set of values, y-axis value is 4, so x-axis value defaultly taken 0 1 2. So value will be plotted 0 to 4 and 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 6. And then here diamond is a marker style, so default line blue color is filled. And next again we are going to go back to plot figure 1. We have chosen that second, right, 2 rows and one column, and second subplot we are going to set the title. So plot a title we are given, second subplot of first figure, like that we are given. Suppose you want to give the title for the now in the first subplot above, means how you can give now. Again you have to give plotted subplot of 2 1 1 1, and then we can set the title for title, any title you can give. And next another examples here we can give the multiple figures, not only one. So in this most using that one script we can make it two figures. See here, that is figure 1, this is figure 2, separate window. In a figure 1 the two subplot is drawn, and here figure 2 only one subplot. So figure 1 subplot, that is 2 rows one column and first subplot, and then the line is drawn, and the second subplot also indicated, there also line is drawn. And next figure 2 we are going to plot, this is a figure 2, and figure 2 only 2 rows one column and one subplot. Okay, that's also drawn. And next we are going to, after drawn the second figure, next we are going to give the title for the figure 1. So we have to point out plot at figure 1, and floater subplotter, that two rows one column, second subplotter we are given the title. So likewise we can draw that multiple figures.